Hello, at this moment, I will show you our excellent NF-300 Network coaxial cable tester. These tests include the emitter, receiver, and the remote. The most important is this tester has a strong anti-jamming ability for the probe, and you can adjust the volume on the receiver, and there is a LED light assist using in the dark corners. This device is used for testing the continuity of network, coaxial, and telephone cable. You can also use it for tracing the network, coaxial, telephone, and USB cable. It can measure the network and coaxial cable length and break point. Now, let's enter cable continuity testing. There are two working models, locally testing and remote testing. Here, I'd like to demonstrate remote testing with main tester. Let's insert one end of cable into main RJ45 port, another end to the remote RJ45 port. Turn on the tester. Here we choose RJ45 and choose the wire map function. We can see the result from the screen, 1 to 1 until 3 to 3. There is a remote in the right top corner, which means this is a good shared LAN cable. Now let me show you how to testing the continuity locally. One end to the main RJ45 port, another end to the scan RJ45 port of the emitter. Wire mapping. The result shows 1 to 1 until 3 to 3. There is a local in the right top corner. For telephone cable, we can just use locally testing. And coaxial cable, we can use the remote testing model. Next, we are going to measure cable length for coaxial cable, which is 20 meters. Let's connect one end to the BNC port of the emitter and another end disconnects. Turn on the tester. There we choose BNC from the main menu and choose the cable length function. The result shows this cable is 20.3 meters. That's why we need calibration. Choose the calibration. Now we adjust the cable length to 20 meters and save the data to calibration 1. We need to load out the data and then test cable length again. The result shows this cable is 20 meters. According to the different materials of the cables, we need the calibration function and make the result more accurate. For testing the network cable length, and we use the same method. Finally, let me show you the function of tracing LAN cable on the switch. First, let's unplug the LAN cable and insert the end of the cable into scan port of the emitter. Turn on the tester. Here we choose RJ45 and we choose the scan cable function. The LED screen shows scanning. Let's use the amplifier probe to get close to the Huawei switch. There is no sound. Now let's turn that switch. There is no sound. Let's get close to the Cisco switch. There is a bundle of cables that make us cannot identify the target cable easily, so we need to adjust the volume. Let's try again. Now, let me unplug this cable. So, this is the target cable that we want to find out. This is all the information I showed you. That's all. Thank you.